In the food industry, flour is utilized as a versatile raw material. In order to guarantee a high quality of the material and its products, the processing must be continuously tested and documented. A critical factor in evaluating the processing properties of flour is the quality of the gluten. The goal is the fastest, simplest, and most reproducible analysis possible. As a worldwide leader, Brabender offers the food industry sector equipment for measuring the quality and physical properties of materials. Hailing from Duisburg, Germany, this family enterprise has developed a product that promptly and reliably analyzes samples of wheat flour and wheat gluten. Using the Brabender GlutoPeak, quality manager Matthias Evers and his colleagues from Kröner-Stärke test different samples. The incoming goods inspection tests every single wheat flour lot because the processing parameters as well as the quality of the end products is dependent on the properties of the used raw materials. With the GlutoPeak, a precise selection of raw materials can be produced which meet customer satisfaction. The GlutoPeak delivers direct measurement values. In particular, a visualization of the pre-mix of the gluten is produced. By means of this prompt method, reliable data on the quality of gluten is created, in contrast to former haptic tests. And this is achieved through a simple measuring principle. Through a high input of energy, a gluten network is built up in a flour-water suspension. The change in consistency of the sample is measured as a torque and portrayed graphically as a curve, a rheological fingerprint. By graphing the differences in peak times and heights, the proportion of gluten may be qualitatively ranked. Strong gluten demonstrates rapid high peaks, as in wheat flour dough. In weak gluten, the peaks are longer and flatter, and sometimes lack altogether. This is how easy the GlutoPeak works. Fasten the paddle. Weigh 10 grams of distilled water in the measuring cup. Fit the measuring cup into the device. Funnel 3 to 10 grams of the sample material and lower the measuring head. The application starts automatically and records the graph in a few minutes. On average, 10 tests per hour can be made. Thus, the duration of quality control in the receipt of goods has been remarkably shortened. Using the GlutoPeak, Kroener-Stärke follows the Brabender company's philosophy, where quality is measured.